All right, in today's video, we're going to take a look at finding this sample standard deviation and variance from problem 1.57. This is actually one of your homework problems. So, first thing we want to do is read this data into R. Well, we can do that by opening up our data set, EX 1.57. Okay, I've already done that here. And we can see that we have several columns. What we're interested in is this data right here for the first exam 10. But I'm going to go ahead and do a file save as, and I will put it in my working directory, CSV file, and I've already done this, but let me go ahead and do it again. So I'll just do homework 157. All right, and yes, keep the format. Go back over to my R. All right, you see I already commented in. This is exercise 1.57. So let's call this data. And if you're having trouble with the use a working directory, you can use the read.csv, but then use file.choose instead of the file path name. There we go. Open close parentheses. I want to hit Control R. It's going to open up a window and I can find it. So we're going to look for homework 1.57 right there. Okay, let's take a look at our data. By typing data, hit Control R, send it to the console, and whoa, we got a lot of different columns here, but all we're really interested in is the first 10 entries of the first exam 10. So one way we can pick off that data, let's make a new data called data 1, and we're going to say that is equal to data $ first exam 10. Okay, that's the column we want. We only want the entries from 1 to 10. Okay, so use that colon to get the range. Okay, enter that in. Now I can take a look at data 1. We can see here all we have is the 10 data points that we want. To find the standard deviation, we're just going to use the SD command for data 1. Okay, and we see it's 12.62. All right, and if you want the variance, you could use the var command, and there you have it, 159.34. So remember, this is the sample standard deviation and the sample variance, which is also the way they calculate it in the book. Hope this was helpful.